How are we doing, everybody? It's Robert from Euronics, and we are here today in the wonderful Keynes and Clare Morris, and we are delighted to be joined by Razul from Samsung, who's going to bring us through this fantastic new Samsung Dual Cook Flex
Perfect.
oven.
Yep.
So take it away, Raz.
Yep, perfect. So again, we have some really cool features on this particular model. So here we have the Dual Cook Flex Series 4 oven. Okay, so the first thing I always like to mention is, Robert, any idea what Dual Cook actually is?
I kind of think I know, but I'm not going to embarrass myself, so I'll leave it to you.
A little clue in the name there, so dual cooking. So what is really good is the fact that you can cook two completely different things at two completely different temperatures and two completely different times. So it's literally two ovens in one. And once I take this oven out, it becomes your full 76 litre all-in-one oven as well.
That's excellent.
All the magic happens with the Dual Cook Flex.
So it's just
here.
like a separator between the two of them.
Exactly, yeah. So I've one of these at home, and it's an absolute dream because my missus is vegetarian.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm the complete opposite. I love the chicken and the meat and everything else. So I'd cook something at the top, she might cook something at the bottom. It's twin fanned, and the twin fans work in opposite directions as well.
Okay.
So it gets rid of all those extra smells or anything like that as well. So it's really beneficial. And then something unique about the inside as well, we have it built with ceramic enamel. So you can see it's all blue with a bits of white.
It's lovely, yeah.
That's all bits of silver particles.
Okay.
So it's antibacterial as well, so no bacteria actually builds up.
Okay.
So as well as the pyrolytic cleaning, you have the ceramic enamel, so it's easy to clean, it's scratch resistant as well, and so it's very easy to maintain.
And I see a lovely telescopic rail there.
You have indeed, so that's your telescopic rail right here to take your foods in and out as well. And then what you can also do with this particular model is you could do steam cooking.
Okay,
so you have your natural steam cooking option
Keep
here.
all the nutrition in your food.
Exactly, tastes a lot more succulent, juicier and healthier as well. Okay, so
Lovely finish on it.
It's really smart. It can fit in any kind of smart new modern kitchen. And as well, you've probably seen something on the divide here in the middle.
I do, yeah.
So this is what we call our Dual Cook Flex. This is our Flex drawer. So literally what it means is you're not interrupting anything what's cooked at the bottom. So if you bake a lot, or even on a Sunday, you might be making a roast dinner, you might have your Yorkshire puddings at the bottom and your meat at the top. What generally happens when you make Yorkshire puddings if you open the oven? Just sink, exactly. Whereas now, you can just not interrupt anything as well.
Okay.
And if there's only 2 years living in a house, if you just use the top oven only, you're saving up to 25% more energy all the time as well. So it's really efficient for your bills as well. Okay.
Excellent. So
cleaning.
what else you got on it?
So as well as this, you can also use the grill and the oven at the same time.
Okay.
So if you want to use the full grill or half grill, and you can cook something at the bottom as well. So you have that option as the grill and the oven. So you have your two.
Really cool, isn't it?
So really cool, really good concept as well.
Lovely looking interior on it.
Very premium inside and out as well.
It is, really top quality.
And as you mentioned, you have the pyrolytic cleaning as well. And as well as that, all the actual glass doors are quadruple glassed. So it absorbs, it keeps all the heat in more efficiently, but cooler at the back as well.
So perfect for people baking, really stable cooking environment.
Exactly, especially hot temperatures and things like that as well. So you have all those options on this particular model. It's all SmartThings enabled as well. So if you're on the way home, you can turn it on, and every time you're cooking, you can see how much it's actually costing you in regards to energy and costing as well. So it gives you a live feed of what's going on. And again, if you have a recipe on your phone, you can send that straight to the oven, and it'll cook that automatically for you without messing with all the settings as well.
Back to all your Samsung toys.
And what I do really like about this model as well is the fact it only gives you the options to do dual cook when the actual tray is in. So once this tray comes out, it then takes away the options and becomes your conventional
standard single oven
76 litre oven all in one as well, with the 5-year warranty. I always like to mention as well. Once registered as well.
Absolutely, that's the key, registration.
That's the key, registration.
So question for you, there's 2 in the range. You have another version of this, do you?
Yep, so this is the Series 4. So this is your Dual Cook Flex option with the Flex door.
Yep.
And then we also have the Series 4 here with just the Dual Cook option. So you have the 2, the Dual Cook Flex or the Dual Cook.
Okay.
Exact same concept, but without the Dual Cook Flex
Very
door.
good.
Okay.
I prefer the Flex.
Likewise, it's an absolute saver at home as well. And then if we step up in the range, we have the Series 5. So now, Robert, we have the step up. So this is now the Series 5 model. So we had the introduction to the Series 4s, and now we have the Series 5. So the main differentiations between the 4 and the 5s is the first thing. Any idea what this could be?
I know what it is. It's an air fryer.
It is indeed, yeah. So the air frying is what everybody's looking for at the moment. We live in the air fryer at the moment as well. I have one at home as well. But now you have the option in our ovens to do air frying on the top cavity as well. So you have the air frying option. You've also got the meat probe as well. So the meat probe goes into side just to give you live, accurate reads while you're cooking as well.
So you're perfectly cooked Sunday, Joe.
Exactly that, Likewise with the 4, you still have the Dual Cook Flex option. And again, if I take out, just to give you a bit more of a read, this dual cook flex drawer, more options come up as your convention, and you can go through all the different options here.
So it's really versatile.
Very, very versatile. And as well, if you go into special options, you have your keep warm drawer, got your plate warm drawer, and you can also have a defrost mode as well.
Excellent.
So lots and lots of new features on this model as well. And then your cleaning options as well.
And PyroClean, so full self-clean oven.
Full pyrolytic cleaning as well.
And to note on this, it's also in stainless steel, where the other ones are
Perfect.
black
This
finish.
is stainless steel, where the other one is just your black finish. So you have two options depending on your style of kitchen.
And these are available at Euronics if you want
They
them?
are indeed, yes. So you have the 2 4s and the 5s, and we have a number of induction hobs as well, and the compact ovens to match.
Perfect. So Razul, thanks as always. If customers looking for them, check us out at euronics.ie or call into your local Euronics store, and we'd be delighted to talk you through the ovens.
Thank you.
Thanks, Raz.